Talking about palette in CorelDRAW, we have different color palettes ranging from document palette, color palette, style. So to dive in, we'll come to Windows, check for Dockers, then you search for palette. Can you see it? So it will come here. So by default, it will come as this color you're seeing here is default palette. We don't need it. Let's use CMYK. I prefer using CMYK for my printing, and that is official color palette for printing. While RGB for what's it called? For digital designs or phone design. So under here, this is, you can see it here. In case it hides, you can check it here. So this document palette means the color you have used so far here. So this is the document palette. Can you see it? So it's close to the status bar. So this is the color you need. So to differentiate them, once you hover your mouse cursor on it, so click on the RGB palette. Can you see this is the RGB palette? Drag it. I prefer dragging it to the left hand side of my window or workspace. So this, I will know that if I want to design for RGB, using RGB, I can come here. While for CMYK, I will come here. So this is what you need to know about the color palette. We'll be talking about how to use the color palette soon. Stay tuned for more of these videos. You're welcome.